Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove front bumper Hyundai Santa Fe, easy method. Start by parking safely, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Gather tools, ratchet, 10 mm and 12 mm sockets, trim tool, and a flashlight. Remove wheel well clips and lower splash shield first, then unbolt bumper fasteners along the top and bottom. Keep hardware organized for reinstallation, and ask a friend to help lift the bumper off. Prepare thoroughly, and you'll save time and avoid mistakes. Lay out tools in reach and label containers for clips, screws, and bolts so nothing gets lost. Inspect the bumper for hidden fasteners near the grille and wheel wells before prying. Use a trim tool to pop plastic clips gently to avoid breakage. Keep a friend on standby to support the bumper when its last bolts are removed for safe lowering and storage. Follow these steps in order for a clean removal. First, remove the wheel well liners and lower splash shield to expose lower fasteners. Next, open the hood and remove top bolts along the grille and fender edges. Carefully pry out plastic clips with a trim tool and keep them organized. Disconnect any fog light connectors before attempting to lift. With a helper, support both sides and pull the bumper straight forward to avoid snagging or scratching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.